Okay, we're back on track. Thankful for my GPS system, which is the old way. Just keep going till you find out where you're going. Somebody must need ambulance service. We're back on the Via Dolorosa walkway, where Jesus was led away to the cross. The actual stones are probably a good 10 to 15 feet below us. This is the case in most cities in that era and thereafter. When the city was conquered, they just bulldozed it over and built on top of it. There is a church up here that will allow you to go underground and see some of the actual stones of that period. If I spoke English, I could just kind of walk with them. But I didn't pay for the tour, so we'll keep on our own. Oh, I almost walked past it again. That's why you have to have a paid tour guide. Not one like me, free.
That when our Lord passed the cross to Simon of Cyrene, a cavity happened in the wall. So it's a beautiful picture, and the beauty you can pray and take a picture with your hands on the sea.
يعني لا مش محلي لا
طويل معاك ولا تأديه حسام دير بالك عليه هذا.
Glad we got ahead of the crowd. We can move a little faster. Are you keeping up with me? Hope so. I like it. These people have no idea I'm videotaping. If I held the camera up to my face, it would be obvious. But being the trained professional that I am, Charlotte, North Carolina. I have a destination. I'd be stopping at every store.
They're the ones that they explain to Harry. We don't, of course, we don't know. And but it's saying
What she was saying back there, this is possibly the 6th station of the cross. I like to say possibly. Most likely it is. Never actually certain with all the destruction that occurred afterwards and the rebuilding. I am huffing and puffing. There you go, Ben. Oh, the Cubs. No pictures? I want to get one of the Notre Dame t-shirt. How much are they? 40. That's pretty good. I paid 50 earlier. Alright, let's see where we're going. Sign says straight ahead. You could get lost in this.
Können wir direkt mal eins
Free cold water after you buy something. Should follow that kid, he's making away.
I mean, that means what is the real price?
And that is off the bad business out
I'm hoping I don't miss another sign. But if we do, you were getting a good tour of the old city. None better, I bet. I should buy some new short sleeve shirts. I was expecting colder weather, and I brought all but a few long sleeve, and I'm feeling it now. I'm going to shut down for a bit. I'll be back. Shalom.